Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Pixlr application on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now you may open up your web browser and then type in pixlr.com in the address bar and press enter. Now from this homepage, if you scroll all the way down, then underneath company you will see the Pixlr desktop option. You can click on this and then click on install Pixlr suite in order to install the application, or you can also open up the Windows Store from which you can search for Pixlr suite and then install the application. Once you find the application, just tap on the get button and this will now begin the download and installation of the Pixlr suite application on your PC. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button which you can click on in order to open up the application. Once the application is opened up, you can proceed with logging in or signing up to your account in order to start using the Pixlr application on your PC right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Pixlr suite application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.